your Economics with Eunice. My name is Eunice Olaleye. This is our show where we connect lifestyle, policies, money, and everyday choices to help you understand basic economic principles and make smarter decisions. Remember, we have unfinished business, uncommon myths about economics as a field. And today we'll be talking about the third myth of economics that people have. Previously, we spoke about two myths. The first, the notion that economics is just practiced by experts and that economics is only about money. The third myth, the fixed pie mentality. That is, for me to win, someone must lose. Have you ever felt like someone else's success means less for you? Like that colleague at work gets promoted, do you suddenly feel like your chances are blocked? Or another business is thriving, does it automatically mean that yours will struggle? That's what the fixed pie mentality is all about. It makes people believe that opportunities in the world are limited, and so we must fight for our space. It sounds ambitious to some people, but it's a very dangerous way to think. You know, it constantly makes the world feel like a battlefield as opposed to being a journey for every one of us. So why is it a myth? Because the pie isn't fixed. Guys, in today's world, innovation, education, collaboration, and technology keep expanding what's possible. So when people share ideas, start a new business, or improve a new product, value is always added. So let's think of it like this. When you teach someone a skill, do you lose knowledge? You don't lose knowledge. Instead, you both gain something. That's how healthy economies and people grow, by simply expanding what exists and not fighting over what is left. So now let's compare a fixed pie mindset with a better mindset using everyday examples. At work, a fixed pie mentality could sound like, my colleague got a raise, I didn't get anyone. It means I'm not good at what I do and I may never get one. But a better mindset sounds like, if we do great teamwork, the company will grow and we might possibly get a raise or even a promotion. Now that sounds better. In business, a fixed pie mindset could sound like, there's a new restaurant down the road. They're going to steal all my customers. But a better mindset is, well, more restaurants means more people. So more people will be attracted to the area, and that could mean more sales for me. In friendship and networking, a fixed pie mindset or mentality could mean, if I recommend this person for this job, they are going to steal my spot. Let me just play safe. I'll lock up. Well, a better mindset could mean, introducing people to opportunities will make them succeed. My friends, what's the bigger picture? See, when people start to collaborate as opposed to competing, it makes the pie bigger, right? And success does not have to include competition. It could just be a chain reaction. So a better way to think about it would be, start creating value instead of chasing it. Start to think long term instead of short term. And also celebrate other people's wins, because their success does not in any way reduce yours. In fact, it could inspire you and open doors for you. And that's it today on your Economics with Eunice. Remember, when we collaborate instead of competing, we'll make the world a better place and the pie will keep growing bigger. And if you stayed to this second, don't hesitate to check out our website at www.streamingonlineng.com for different content across economics and content alike. Also do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Nigerian Tribune TV. Until next time guys, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye.